there, INFOrmed Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we're going to be talking about face serums. I have talked to you guys about serums before on this video, especially the vitamin C one that I actually talked about in one of my Derma E videos. I talked about how I was looking for something with vitamin C in it, and it had a high concentration of vitamin C, and it is a serum. And then there is another one that I use currently from Nola Essentials. So I thought that it would be important to zone in on what a face serum is and to put more knowledge behind the things that I use. If it's something that I use and I'm sharing it with you guys and you guys are interested in it, we have a well-rounded understanding of what it is, okay? So we're going to jump into what a serum is in this video, and then I'm going to have other videos branching off talking about how to use serums, different types of serums, etc., etc. So if you guys have any questions about serums, leave them down below. Instagram me at EuniyceMari. Shout it out so that I can know to include them in my next videos. Okay, so if you have not seen my video on Derma E's vitamin C review, I will leave it above. I think it's this side. I will leave it above and down below for you guys to go and check that out. So let's talk about what a serum is. Okay, you may be starting a skincare journey. Okay, you may be like, okay, let's start a skincare journey, let's get this skin together, let's get that glow going, and you come across serums and you're like, wait, what are those? And there are so many serums. Okay, serums pretty much are the target part of your skincare. They target certain skin concerns or problems in which you are having. So face serums are highly concentrated ingredients intended to go directly into skin. Serum has smaller molecules that penetrate deep. Serums are made to target skin concerns like wrinkles, discoloration, brightening, etc. Okay, so for example, if you have like spots on your face and you want to brighten that up, you will go for something like vitamin C. If you have more crow's feet or wrinkles, you will go with something like, for example, hyaluronic acid. Okay, if you have maybe more of a drier skin tone, maybe glycolic. So there are different types of serums that are just made to target. And when you think of serums, think of something that targets your skin need or targets your skin problem. It's that middle person. Okay, I always say serums are the middle person. Serums are after you cleanse your face, before you apply your moisturizer. That's where your serum falls. It is the middle person. It is the person that comes in after you clean and they just go bloop 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 and just target any of your problems before you decide to moisturize. Okay, so that is everything about serums. It's just really quickly to the point of what a serum is, so that if you are on your journey to just bettering your skin or coming up with complete skincare, you know what a serum is. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below, and make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.